Well, hello, my friends. I hope y'all are well. All right, so I wanted to come down to the creek, be surrounded in Mother Nature, and make a dang slingshot. You know, Mother Nature's provided all the slingshots right here. They're growing everywhere. It's amazing. Right here, look at that. A slingshot. Could be, I don't know. But I wanted to do it with not many tools, just something's in my pocket. So I'm gonna use my Gerber multi-tool. I've had this thing for 20 years. That's all you need. Make you a slingshot, start a fire. What, you don't believe me? Check this out. I got right here, I got my band set. I'm gonna tie on the slingshot and some string. Multi-tool. Got my ferro rod right there. Yes, I do. Boom. And then the multi-tool. Love this thing. So we've got a knife, eh? Everybody needs a knife. We've got a saw, and a dang file. Right there, it is, it's a file, believe me. They can file the tips of your slingshot. Oh, and dig this. If I can get it right there. What? I'm telling you, man, that's all you need. Survival, Gerber. And not the baby food either, unless you really don't. Anyway, the first thing is, let's go find a fork. Well, there's so many options. Mother Nature, you just overwhelm me. So we gotta find one. So, beautiful fall. Oh my God. Look at all these leaves. Look at all those forks. Slingshot forks everywhere. Wait, what the heck is that? That looks like a dang slingshot right there. All right, let's get it. There it is. It's just right behind me, like, hey man, I want to be a slingshot. Make me into a slingshot. And I said, okay, let me get my dang saw. Let's get it done, son. All right, we're back. We got our tree branch. It's gonna be a possible slingshot. This is perfect. This is American Beach. We got a lot of these here in Georgia. So what I'm gonna do is gonna put my finger like that. You don't want these too long, so that's why I'm using this kind of method. And just come straight across. That's gonna be a good length for the forks. The reason I didn't go ahead and cut this down was I realized that we have potential fork there and a potential fork there. So that's 3 potential slingshots in this branch here. All right, so I'm gonna cut these down and I'll get back at you. All right, so we got our forks cut down. Man, I'm really digging this. And these are the other 2. Not bad. A little one with leaves still on it. It's cool, we could use that as a site. All right, so now I'm just gonna take the knife and clean the tips of the slingshots. Really just easier on your bands that way. And to be fair, you really don't need a slingshot if you got your bands. Once you learn that technique of shooting like that, oh man, this is looking awesome. All right, so now I'm going to, this is what I thought was really awesome. Take the file. I don't need sandpaper or anything. Sand those down really good. And remember, I use this with my ferro rod. Got some good sparks. Got the fire going. Oh man, this is awesome. This feels really good. So this is just quick on the go. You know, you're not worried about a lot of junk. You just want to get a fork, put your bands on it, and put it to work. So that's what we're about to do. there's so many different ways to do this. Everybody's got different ways, but just a saw, cutting a tree fork, get busy with it. I'm not really gonna worry about doing the end because this is just quick in and out. All right, let's do that. Let's get the bands ready. All right, so I got my bands. What I did was take some string and tied a loose constrictor knot, and then I just slide it over the bands where I want it. I love the constrictor knot, quick and easy. So, like that. And constrictor knots are pretty tight, but I'm just gonna go ahead and just do another knot on the back side, just because I got some extra string. All right, now we just need to cut that excess off. Anyway, super easy to make your own slingshot. Mother Nature, like I said, is providing stuff for you, so why not use Mother Nature? Just don't, take advantage of her. All right, cut the string off. We don't need that dangling around. All right. Sweet. So we got one side. It's getting ready to roll. All right, let's do the other side. All right, coming back at you in a minute. All right, so I got the other fork tied up, just like the first one. Just make sure your bands are the same length. You don't want one longer than the other one because it's gonna throw you shot. Just like that, we kill the can. Thanks to Mother Nature and this wonderful Gerber multi-tool. So basically came into the woods with this tool, band set, some string, ferro rod, was able to start a fire. Mother Nature provided us for this wonderful fork, many forks actually. So get outside, make a slingshot. It's easy. You don't need very much at all. This banding materials from SimpleShot. Cool pouch. Anyway, get outside and make you a dang slingshot and have fun. Thanks for watching.